The Brother MFC-L2820DW is a compact, all-in-one monochrome laser printer tailored for home offices and small businesses. It combines printing, copying, scanning, and faxing in a single machine, delivering speed, convenience, and versatility without taking up much space. Fast and high-quality monochrome laser printing. This printer delivers crisp black and white documents at speeds up to 34 pages per minute (ppm) with a resolution up to 1200 dpi. That makes it ideal for printing reports, essays, invoices, or any text-based documents quickly and with professional clarity. All-in-one functionality: print, copy, scan, and fax. With the MFC-L2820DW, you get printing, copying, scanning, and faxing all in one device. This multifunction capability simplifies tasks and reduces the need for multiple machines, especially useful when you often handle varied document types. Automatic duplex printing. The printer supports automatic duplex, two-sided printing, which helps save paper and reduces waste. It's convenient for printing booklets, reports, or long documents neatly and efficiently. Efficient paper handling and automatic document feeder. It has a 250-sheet paper tray and supports multiple paper types/sizes. Additionally, a 50-page automatic document feeder, ADF, makes copying or scanning multi-page documents much easier. A real time saver when dealing with larger print bar scan jobs. Flexible connectivity and mobile printing support. The MFC-L2820DW offers dual-band Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Ethernet, and USB 2.0 connectivity, letting you connect from laptops, desktops, or mobile devices. It also supports mobile printing through apps, making it easy to print from smartphones or tablets without complicated setups, security, and professional-level features. The printer includes advanced security options, such as secure print and network security protocols, which help protect sensitive documents and data. That's especially useful if you're using it for business or shared office use. In short, the Brother MFC-L2820DW is a powerful, efficient, and versatile all-in-one laser printer, suitable for home offices, small businesses, or anyone needing reliable document processing. With its fast print speed, duplex printing, flexible connectivity, and full suite of printing, copying, scanning, faxing functions, it's a dependable, space-saving choice for everyday productivity.